Okay, we are about to leave Disney's Grand Californian. Okay, so you have to pass this gift shop in the hotel, and you're gonna pass this conference center sign, and you turn here, I believe. And you're gonna get to turn down here. Medallions. So apparently there's a security checkpoint here. Okay, after the little checkpoint there from the hotel, we are now in downtown Disney. And the first thing I see is Sephora. And over here, Wonderful World of Sweets. And there's some more restaurants here. Still got the timer on. Oh, there we have a World of Disney. And, oh, and a Starbucks. A lot of people's going to want to know where that is.
I was just going to say, fun fact, this is the second busiest Starbucks in the world.
The Grand Californian through the trees there. I like the Tinkerbell on the lights. There's the tram thing that comes from, I guess, the parking lots. Oh, there's the Earl of Sandwich I've heard people talking about.
My timer says 6 minutes.
Okay, so far it's taken us 6 minutes.
And we weren't booking it.
That's true. Oh, we are walking pretty fast, but...
If it was just me, I would have been here in 4 minutes.
Okay. Are they already letting people in? Oh, yeah. Wow, they are.
They let people in early, but they don't open the rest of the park until 8.
Okay, well, what time is it, like, actual time?
7:26. So 7 minutes until we got in line.
Okay. Okay, so it took us roughly 7 minutes to go from the Grand Californian over to the entrance at Disneyland. You will have to factor in security and standing in line at Disney. But if you leave like we did at 7:18, there wasn't much security. I will be posting another way to go through DCA to Disneyland to see if that's shorter. And if you want to see what happened to us after we entered the park and stood in line to do rope drop for Indiana Jones, check out our rope drop Indiana Jones video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and take care as always.